unwrapping the Mower 2 from can't remember the name. Let's see, Suit. Oh yeah, Manscaped, the Lawnmower 2. Comes into a nice nicely shaped box. So, Manscaped, refining the gentleman. So I just got the standard box razor machine itself without its side accessories. So what's in the box? The Lawnmower 2 trimmer, 2 adjustable guide combs, 1 USB 2 charger, 1 cleaning brush. And I forgot to mention there's also a protection bag when you want to take the device somewhere else in your suitcases, for example. So it comes with an adjustable guide comb for custom hair length preference, new skin safe anti-nick feature, so that is very useful to prevent nicks and snags, especially if you're doing your armpits or other places. Snapping blade replaceable module for hygienic maintenance, so that's useful if you want to wash it with some water or soapy water. Non-slip modelled assembly for easy handling. So yeah, it is. I've seen it on some pictures and it seems to be pretty small and quite swift to handle. The LED charging indicator. Replacement blade modules available on manscaped.com. Hyper hygienic 6000 RPM motor. So I guess that's not the fastest, but still pretty decent. I'll have to see and try. Rechargeable USB, so that's very practical for travelling, makes it lighter. 60-minute usage on each full charge, 100% waterproof, so yeah, that's just perfect for the bathrooms. Quiet stroke technology, that's useful if you're living in shared accommodation or with tight neighbours where the walls are not that insulated. Uniquely designed windows, hard to reach and sensitive areas. So yeah, seems like it's been well studied for manscaping, as the name it says. So there you go. Comes into that package. So like I said, it comes with a nice little material bag to protect it. So we're refining the gentleman, as they say, exactly. The USB cable. you go. Pretty light and small. Obviously you'll need a USB adapter to put in the plug. This is an old school iPhone one, works perfectly, but if you want something lighter they do them much smaller now. So yeah, that's really good, so you can have several devices with also multiple USB entries, a little cleaning brush as well. It's yeah, good for the maintenance, and obviously the two-sized guards. So this one says 6mm or 9mm and 12mm. So yeah, it's good. This one is apparently 6mm and 3mm, sorry. Oh, so this one's the really small. Oh, it says it on the side. Yeah, 3 to 6mm. So then we've got the beast itself, the lawnmower. So yeah, it feels really nice in the hand, nice and nibbly, nice, and you can control it with all sides from it, and a nice comfy on and off button. Yeah, it's perfect. I'll just do a test for myself. So it really feels pretty safe. But they say and recommend that still be careful, use it with care, because the risk of cutting yourself is still there, obviously, like any cutting machines, but the risk is minimised. So I haven't read the instructions, but to put it off, it should be somewhere here. I'm probably not going to do it because I wouldn't want to do the wrong movement with it. So as you can see, it's got the special material here to that you can change, and yeah, it feels and seems like a well designed item for the job. Manscaped Lawnmower 2. See you later, guys.